It's windy up there also. Oh, forgot the lights. I have lights on the plane. The lights, the navigation light.
Forgot to plug them in.
Yeah, just I have it on the. Yeah. Steady. Also wind here down here from the hill. So maybe I'm gonna land it in the middle. See, the wind is taking it. We'll see. At least it's coming down. Nice.
So much wind.
Okay. Let's see if I'm gonna put the camera. Okay. Okay, now is the camera turning the other round, the other way. Whoa!
You have ES3X on this?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Helping today a little bit.
Yeah, I think it's not working in the ailerons very good, but it's Oops.
thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
It's like helicopter.
It's a Christmas light.
Beautiful.
Yes.
Hey, you guys celebrate Christmas tonight, 6 p.m.
Yes, yes.
Very nice.
I think everybody's preparing the Christmas dinner now.
Yeah, we're having dinner in Reykjavik.
Yeah, okay. So are you leaving on Friday?
Yes, Boxing Day, 26.
Ah, okay.
Yes, Friday.
Okay. I just put it in the car.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I think.
I'll wait till you go.
Yeah.
Crazy guy.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. In the summer, you guys have 24 hours daylight?
Yes.
Wow, very nice.
Yes. And we often fly at midnight.
Midnight.
Here in June.
Wow.
And it's sometimes it's like it's just no wind there
Wow.
on the midnight sun. You know, and when you're flying, you can fly.
Nice.
You can fly also indoor planes, also outside. Indoor plane.
Oh yeah, our club does that too.
You do? Yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
Niagara Electric Flyers or something it's called.
Okay. We all used to do it in 12 years, from 2009 until the COVID.
Oh,
Okay.
yes.
And in a big hall, sports hall.
Yeah.
It's very nice. Fly inside.
Yeah, just small little planes.
Yeah, like 1 meter. Yeah.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah.
Inside, like,
Yeah.